How to create a Zendesk dashboard. For that purpose, you'll need to sign up for Zendesk for the free trial. You can see I already have mine logged in. You're going to get a free trial for 14 days. And then this is your homepage, and it has really easy to use interface. You're going to click on dashboard. But before that, you'll need to get started, have an overview of the Zendesk platform, add in your team, work on with the ticketing system. You're going to learn about how tickets work. Tickets are basically like, all the basic lists that you're going to use on Zendesk. Then the agent productivity, where you can use automation and filter out your ticket queues. And then there's apps and integrations. So then you can head over to your dashboard. Right here, all you'll need to do is you're going to open up few tickets right here, okay? This is one ticket that is open right here. You can either edit this ticket or delete them or merge it into another ticket. Now to add in another ticket, you will need to open up another ticket right here. And once I click on the add new ticket onto the left hand side, you can add in ticket, users, organization, or search. The requester could be anything. You can add in the requester's information here, and then you can work with the subject, and then you can assign that specific task or ticket to support group, or let's assign it to this. You can choose the followers, the tags, the type, the priority. The priority could be normal, and the type could be a question. And then you can type in the subject and submit this as new. Let's also provide a description. Okay, and then we submit this out as new. And once you're done, this is just simply gonna add in the tickets here into the ticket section that you were working for. Likewise, you can also add in a new user. You can add in the name, add in the email, and what Zendesk is going to do is Zendesk is going to send them an email to invite them to use this specific dashboard. And that way you can also add another organization, search, or recently viewed tickets as well. Now heading back over to our homepage and to our dashboard, there is currently no ticket into this view, but you can simply add in new tickets, and you can work your way around with those tickets by adding those open tickets. Let's just say this is that open ticket, which worked in is a sample ticket, where this has a lot of description on how the ticket's working. It's by the customer. They're sending us an email because they're having problems setting up our new product. So it's super easy to use Zendesk to add in tickets and manage your business using all these tools together. You can work with the customers directly into the customer section. Also, you can work your way around with organization and look into your reports by going into the reporting section, which is an amazing, powerful automation. So guys, this is how you can create a dashboard from scratch on Zendesk.com.